How cryptocurrency is shaping the future of finance. The financial world is undergoing a seismic shift. Traditional institutions are scrambling to adapt as cryptocurrency gains momentum. Are we on the cusp of a digital financial revolution? Let's dive in and explore how crypto is reshaping the future of finance. It all began with Bitcoin in 2009, a revolutionary concept of decentralized digital currency. This innovation aimed to bypass traditional banking systems. Today, the cryptocurrency market boasts a staggering multi-trillion-dollar valuation. What factors fueled this meteoric rise? The core appeal lies in decentralization, transparency, and security. Blockchain technology underpins these digital assets. This technology offers a tamper-proof ledger for all transactions. This creates trust and efficiency that traditional systems struggle to match. Traditional banks are facing unprecedented competition. Decentralized finance, DeFi platforms are emerging as viable alternatives. These platforms offer lending, borrowing, and earning opportunities, all without the need for intermediaries. DeFi leverages smart contracts to automate financial processes. This reduces costs and increases accessibility. Users can participate in a global financial ecosystem. This ecosystem is free from the constraints of traditional banking hours and geographical boundaries. Governments worldwide are exploring central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. This signals a potential shift towards a cashless society. Countries like China are already piloting digital yuan. The United States is actively researching the feasibility of a digital dollar. CBDCs offer governments greater control over monetary policy. They also provide a more efficient and transparent payment system. However, concerns about privacy and surveillance remain. These concerns need careful consideration as CBDCs evolve. The cryptocurrency market presents significant investment opportunities. Early adopters have seen substantial returns. However, it's crucial to approach this market with caution. The volatility and complexity of crypto assets demand thorough research. Before investing, understand the underlying technology and market dynamics. Diversification is key to mitigating risk. Be wary of scams and fraudulent schemes. Always prioritize security and protect your digital assets. Is cryptocurrency poised to replace traditional cash? The answer is complex and multifaceted. While widespread adoption is not yet guaranteed, the trend is undeniable. Digital currencies are becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives. The future of money likely involves a hybrid system. This system combines traditional fiat currencies with digital assets. This will offer consumers greater choice and flexibility. It will also drive innovation in the financial sector. Staying informed is paramount in the rapidly evolving crypto landscape. Follow reputable news sources and industry experts. Engage with the crypto community to learn from others. Continuously update your knowledge to make informed decisions. Consider taking online courses or attending webinars to deepen your understanding. Experiment with small investments to gain practical experience. Remember, knowledge is your greatest asset in the world of cryptocurrency. As cryptocurrency gains prominence, ethical considerations become increasingly important. The environmental impact of certain cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin is a growing concern. The energy-intensive mining process contributes to carbon emissions. Efforts are underway to develop more sustainable consensus mechanisms. Proof of stake, POS, is emerging as a greener alternative to proof of work, POW. Responsible investing and ethical sourcing of cryptocurrencies are crucial for long-term sustainability. Cryptocurrency is not just a fleeting trend, it's a fundamental shift in the financial paradigm. The future of finance is being shaped by digital assets. Will you embrace this change or be left behind? Now is the time to educate yourself, explore the possibilities, and make informed decisions. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What are your predictions for the future of cryptocurrency? Let's discuss.